How to mix coconut oil and baking soda for a face cleaning like you've never had before. There is a lot of trust placed into the claims of skincare products. They advertise "flawless skin", "disappearing acne", and "natural beauty", and we buy the products to try it for ourselves. Examining the back of a facial cleanser is a bit nerve-wracking. What do all those terms mean? Even if you ask someone with knowledge on the subject, you won't get a proper answer since many of the words are unrecognizable. The inside view on what you are rubbing on your face. When it specifically comes to your skincare, in addition to the unhealthy ingredients, many products are put on the market without proper testing. There are industry trade secrets and formulations that for industry reasons are kept from the consumer, says Elizabeth Sword, Executive Director of the Children's Health Environmental Coalition. This prevents the consumer from making fully informed decisions. There is a way to separate yourself from these health risks and to eliminate skin blemishes at the same time, making your own facial scrub. Coconut oil for moisturizing face. Coconut oil has antimicrobial and moisturizing abilities that are perfect for cleaning your face. It will kill the bacteria that creates pimples. The oil will moisturize the skin and won't make it feel like sandpaper as many other products do. It is also an anti-inflammatory which can alleviate the symptoms of eczema, psoriasis, and other skin conditions. Viva Naturals makes a fantastic organic coconut oil that will leave your skin glowing. Baking soda for the skin. We know baking soda to be a rising agent in foods, but it is also an excellent face exfoliator, which is particularly helpful for removing blackheads. Your skin will feel very soft after rubbing this scrub on your face. Since baking soda also soothes sunburns, this facial cleanser is a good choice for those who burn easily. Using coconut oil as a facial moisturizer will change the way you view your skin. An added bonus is that you probably have these ingredients in your kitchen already. You just didn't realize how beneficial they are for your skin. Ingredients: 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1/2 cup baking soda. How to cleanse and moisturize your face. If your coconut oil is warm and runny, it will be easier to use. Simply mix the two ingredients together until they are completely combined and the texture is a bit gritty. Place it in a shallow jar for easy access. Scrub your face as usual, but feel the enormous difference